Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. First, confirm your carrier permits voicemail changes and keep your account PIN nearby. Open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu or the gear icon because that's where call features live. Once there, tap Settings, then Voicemail or Call Settings. This is the screen you'll use to disable or reroute voicemail. Make sure to note the current voicemail number before changing it so you can restore it later if needed. Now disable visual voicemail and voicemail notifications. This stops alerts and the app from retrieving messages. Next, go to Call Forwarding or Additional Settings. Here find the Always Forward or Unconditional Forwarding entry. Clear the forwarding number or choose Cancel. That prevents incoming calls from routing to voicemail. If your phone shows an option to disable forwarding entirely, use it. Once done, verify by calling your own number from another phone. It should no longer go to voicemail. Finish by testing and, if needed, involving your carrier. Call from a different phone to confirm voicemail is blocked. If calls still reach voicemail, contact carrier support and request voicemail service cancellation or a routing reset. Carriers can remove server-side forwarding. Make sure to reboot your phone and, if necessary, reset call settings in the phone app before calling back. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.